How to add or change your bank account, debit card, or credit card in Cash App. Whether you're updating your payment methods or linking a new account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. To add or change your bank account, tap on the profile icon or your account balance in the top right corner of the home screen. Next, tap on linked accounts or bank accounts under the personal section. Here you will see a list of your currently linked bank accounts. To add a new bank account, tap on add bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your new bank account. You may need to provide your bank routing number and account number. Once you've entered your information, tap add bank account to complete the process. Now Cash App will verify your account details to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now let's add or change your debit card. Go back to the home screen and tap on the banking tab or the card icon. Under the banking tab, tap on add a debit card or link a card. Enter your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Tap add card to link your new debit card to your Cash App account. And that's it. You've successfully added or changed your bank account, debit card, or credit card in Cash App.